This is 2 weeks waiting, 1 minute of freedom, Brazilian wax drama. I will not rest until this hair is gone. Just kidding. I will rest. I will eat a pint of Ben & Jerry's, watch Netflix, complain about how itchy it is down there, and just hope that my wax appointment comes sooner. It's been 14 days since my last wax. In 2 weeks, I go from smooth and sassy to full-blown bush. My tolerance for pain is quite low, but my tolerance for stubble is even lower. I miss my smooth skin days. How many days do you wait in between your waxes? Let me know in the comments below. Because I feel like I am too hairy. Like if we had an instrument down there, I would be playing Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. I don't want to show you because it's disgusting, but if you were to take a peek, you would say, "Whoa, that girl needs a lawnmower, not a trim." And yes, when I say full-grown bush, I mean full-grown bush. I've heard it described as a Brazilian wax where the monkeys got out of their enclosure at the zoo and went wild. That's where I'm at. So with only 2 weeks until my next wax, let's see what my face says during this countdown. Day 14, the day the nightmare begins. Today marks 14 days since my last wax. And it is day 1 of the countdown to pain. Here I am attempting to live my life, trying to live my best life. I did get a compliment today. Someone said my hair looks amazing. I think they meant my facial hair, but I choose to believe they were talking about my magnificent bush down under. I'm giving myself a pep talk. I need a little boost of confidence. I got this. I'm strong. I'm beautiful. I can handle a little bit of pain. Okay, it's day 7 and I haven't showered yet today. I have been laying in bed for 2 hours contemplating if I should shave or just wait till my wax appointment. I hate being itchy, so why do I put myself through this torture every single month? As women, we all know why we do this. But if you are new here, let me break it down for you. Because when you get a Brazilian wax, you get a Brazilian wax. But when you shave, you get a rash, you get bumps, you get ingrown hairs. Plus, it grows back within a week. And let's be real, who has time to constantly shave? However, when you get a Brazilian wax, you get 4 to 6 weeks of smooth, luscious, beautiful skin. Plus, it thins the hair over time. So it gets easier and less painful each and every month. Shaving is quick, but waxing is forever. Okay, I'm about to start my period. Soon as Aunt Flo shows up, things are gonna get real. I may need some pain medication. Oh, we're not having fun today. No. I'm sorry. It's just today's day 9 and I haven't showered yet. Come on, make it stop please. Okay, I've made it to day 13 and things are getting real spicy down under. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up. At this point, I'm considering cutting off all my hair, so I don't have to deal with the pain. But then I remember, no, I need my mane. I'm a lioness. I'm fierce. I'm fabulous. I'm strong. Okay, it's day 14 and tomorrow is the day. I'm going to my wax appointment. By the way, if you haven't booked yours, you better hurry. These spots fill up fast. I got mine a week in advance. Now I just gotta find something cute to wear. I wanna look good. I wanna be confident. Ooh, I know this one. Maybe this one. I like this one. Perfect. I will wear this tomorrow. I think I'll bring a book. Yes, perfect. I love this idea. I will read where the crawdads sing. Oh, or maybe I will read Wild. Ooh, or maybe I will bring my computer and catch up on some work. Wait, no, I don't want to think about work tomorrow. I want to bring my book. Yes, perfect. I love this idea. Now it's the night before the wax. I'm trying to take my mind off the pain by watching funny videos on TikTok. Maybe if I laugh enough I won't cry. Well, it's finally tomorrow. I'm on my way to the wax salon. And yes, I did pick out the perfect outfit. I picked it out specifically because it is comfortable. Look at these bad boys. Plenty of room to breathe. I'm pulling up to the salon right now. I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm feeling pretty happy. I'm just ready to get this over and done with. I like small talk. I'm always happy to make conversation with the wax techs. They're always so sweet. They're always so nice. They always make you feel very comfortable. I wish I could just stay in this position forever. I'm so relaxed. Oh wow, I didn't realize that was a thing. Can I try that? I wonder what it feels like. Oh wait, never mind. I think I'd rather stick to this position. So here goes nothing. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to see you again. Thank you so much for joining us for another video. Now, before we continue, please hit that subscribe button. If you're new, we would love to have you join our crazy family. Also, if you've been here before, we thank you so much for coming back. We really appreciate it. As you guys know, we love bringing you funny sketches and compilations. But today, we are doing something a little bit different. We are reacting to a skit and giving you guys our honest feedback. All of the clips you see throughout this video are from our video called Brazilian Wax Compilation. Most dramatic moments caught on camera. All the women in this video are actors and none of these moments are real. However, we guarantee you the reactions are, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Have you ever waited 2 whole weeks between waxes? Let us know in the comments below. Have you ever brought a book to your wax appointment? I bet they didn't expect that one. Have you ever asked for an extra long wax? Have you ever had to stop halfway because you can't take the pain? Let us know in the comments below. Funny story about waxing. When I first started getting waxed, I had to stop halfway through because I couldn't take the pain. Then, after a few months, I built up a tolerance and I got used to it. Now I can go the full 30 minutes without stopping, but I still scream like a little girl. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content.